I'm not going anywhere. I'm around. I've been running around trying to get support for different heads of states. I was with some in Namibia just the other day. And I went to the president of Uganda after I talked to him to go and ask for his support. And then we met there with Mr. Ruto, who had also gone there, to talk about the issues they're having with oil, the G2G. He was his minister for energy. So after we talked about my candidature, they talked about the issue of oil among themselves. But I asked for their support, and both of them agreed that they would support me. President Museveni said he would be the one to propose me as the chair of African Union Commission. And I said, thank you very much. But I'm not going away. Addis Ababa, as Charity said, is only 2 hours away from Nairobi. I'm available. Whenever I'm called, I will answer. I'm ready to work with you people. But what is important is that we must ensure that what we set out to do is eventually achieved. You cannot be pangared. Who can pangoa? Who can pangoa? Who can bogoa? Who can bogoa? We are unbogable. Therefore, have no fear at all. We are unbogable, and we will get there.
And we want to ask Kenyans to relax about this matter. I'm calling you to relax about it. Stop speculation, and some of it are necessary. You know, they have said, sibling rivalry can actually kill. We have seen conversation, very unhealthy conversation, in our local media. Some of it attributed to our own people within Azimio coalition, going for each other's jugular. Others who have never associated with us, my brother, and we know them, never associated with us, they are now in the forefront, trying to see if perchance they can create a rift within Azimio. We are telling them that will not happen by God's grace. Sometimes feel overcome and overwhelmed in whichever form, and you are missing Baba. You are missing Baba, my friend of Paranya. There's Uncle Steve-O. Yeah, so we should not miss each other. And then there's nothing in Raila Odinga to miss, I can tell you that. Knowing him, he'll be traversing the continent like a colossus.
Kuna wakati inafika the eagle flies away and leaves the eaglets to practice on how to fly. Baba, go to AU as your eaglets, na mimi nikiwa mbele taonyeshana wengine vile tuna fly. There's no vacuum. You will not leave a vacuum. Kalonzo yuko hapa mbele na sisi tunashikilia pande hii. Lazima tuhakikishe kwamba serikali ambayo inakuja sisi tuko ndani na tumejenga taifa letu vile kwa ile mipango ambayo wewe umetupea.
We have marching orders from His Excellency the President to support your candidature at the AU. You can count on us. Tutatembea na wewe Afrika mzima. Kama unahitaji watu wa kubeba bag, niko hapa. Tutatembea na wewe Lagos, tutatembea na wewe Cape Town, tutaenda na wewe Kampala tena turudi, and across the continent, because we believe as a country, and we've taken a common position as a country, that we have what it takes to unify our continent at the helm of its leadership. That is a unifying factor for the people of Kenya.
Baba, mnajua sisi ni Azimio. Serikali ile tuko nayo ni Azimio. Sisi tuko nyuma yenu na tutasonga na nyinyi. Ukiwa na Kalonzo, mkituambia right, left, south, mahali mtunataka, we are ready. Thank you, God bless.